Tahoe as a whole, the trees, the nature, the air's really clean. The water was super clear and it was definitely more than I expected. So you can one day paddle in nice, calm, flat water and then go to Truckee River and go down and do a downriver paddle. It's always nice to have an option, so it's a great place to go and paddle.
With the survival race, the way the start was set up with the paddles in the sand, you take off, grab your paddle and go. I made for really fair starts, which was good. A lot of crashing and getting out of the hole and trying to get in position for the first turn. You restart on each lap, it keeps the races tight. You come in and you're just trying to regroup, get your equipment together. So that short rest is really what separates the field in the end. You're trying to eliminate the last guys or whoever it may be. That's going to keep guys racing just hard enough to eliminate the last group, but it's going to make for pretty interesting strategies between everybody because everyone's just trying to survive and get to the next round. Good way to do it. It was challenging, it was fun, and it was definitely taxing. I know I felt the pain.